Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nkosi Nophile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for clicking, you guys. Thank you very much for subscribing, liking and sharing. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys, we finally hit 4K subscriber. Please continue subscribing. It does help a lot ukuthi sikhule kule channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nonke nisubscribeayo nabalike ama videos before bephuma kona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. So asiphinde sibuye lodabeni kababa uChicco Twala beno umntana wakhe ke indodana yakhe uLongwe Twala. Siyazi ukuthi siyesazwa kuthiwa ke ubaba uChicco Twala umbophisile uLongwe enomfowabo ke uSilo Twala uthe mayebuya le ngaseMelika wafica ukuthi uLongwe ke ungenile e-studio sakhe wantshontsha ke equipment yakhe ebizayo into ezikanjalo. So uthi wababophisa bobabili noSilo ngoba uSilo ngathi wayekhona ngenkathi kuyenzeka leyo nto futhi yayisenziwa uLongwe kodwa ebekhona uSilo ngoba siyezwa lapha namakuthiwa ke ama charges against uSilo Twala adrojwa ke uLongwe uyena oseleke ejele something like that wabaye wabophisa uyise ethi bantshontshe i-equipment yakhe you guys ebizayo yethu uLongwe siyazi ukuthi kuthiwa is a drug and kanjalo guys. So bebabophisa bobabili kwathiwa ke uSilo uyena ke ama charges adrojwe because of lack of evidence. So ke now odabeni ndibona ke manje kuthiwa kubaba uChicco Twala uyathandaza ukuthi uLongwe Twala angayitholi ibail. Ngiyacabanga you guys ukuthi lo baba lo ukhatheleke impela. Imagine nje uthandazela ukuthi uLongwe ahlale ejele. But ubeshilo last wathi kungangcono ahlale ejele than kunokuthi ahlale emgaqeni futhi nje ukuthi ahlukumeze umphakathi rather abe sejele. Ngizwa nje lapha estoryini ngathi bakhuluma ukuthi at least message ejele uzokwazi ukuthi engathi uyayikhohlwa kanyana into yakhe le yama drugs and all that you guys. Angazi kune story lapha ngisibone ekazi moja by Theo Nyaba athi uChicco Twala's wish for Longwe to be denied bail. Kusho ukuthi uLongwe mayibuya next time ecourt ubaba uChicco Twala nje he's praying ukuthi umntana wakhe angayitholi ibail. Into ezikanjalo sizoya ke storyini sizwe ukuthi bathini njengoba ke ngizosifunda ke ngesingisi. Chicco Twala wishes for the court to deny his son bail. Former child star uLongwe Twala will be back in court on Thursday. And his father, Usilo Chicco Twala, says he wants him to stay behind bars. Utwala said he's afraid that if uLongwe is released, he will disappear again. Ngathi ukuthi uLongwe nje umabuye hamba ngendaba yakhe yama drugs you guys. So ubaba uthi usaba lokho, so rather ke angayitholi bail ahlale ke behind bars. So he was only home for a week when he allegedly stole. So ngesikhathi lapho ke mayizwe intshontshe uyise ukuthi ubebuye ube nevike lodwa ebuyile from rehab I guess. Besathi hayi basazama ukuthi abe clinic ubhutiza hayi nangwentshontsha futhi back to the roads. So angazi guys mhlambe that's why lo baba lo athandazela ukuthi angayitholi ibail. Now, Longwe had been back for a week from a rehabilitation center when he allegedly stole from his father's studio at his house in Fourways, Johannesburg. He had been staying at his auntie's house. Njengoba ntshontsha nje behlala ka aunt wakhe. Laphana kwaba kababa wakhe ngathi ukuthi ujump ama fence ke uLongwe wangena wathatha izinto, right? That's how I got because bathe lapha he has been staying with his aunt at his auntie's house as uTwala refused to take him following several theft incidents. Ubenokuntshontsha. So this time around uthe mayibuya ke wahlala ka aunt wakhe ngoba ubaba uChicco Twala ubengakwazi ukumthatha esazi ukuthi uzontshontsha kanti still noma engahlali khona sazobuya azojumpa ama fence antshontshe ahambe. Hayi kuningi uLongwe bafethu. Now uChicco Twala opened a case of theft against his two sons uLongwe and his namesake Usilo after Longwe jumped a high wall and broke into his studio. They were both arrested last week, but the Randburg Magistrate Court let me see, they say dropped the charges against Usilo because of lack of evidence. Now Twala told the journalist his son's court appearance last week that during his son's court appearance last week uLongwe, who started taking drugs at the age of 17, has been stealing from him for the past 20 years since he started using ama DRIUGs. So for the past 17 years nje wabuchiko kuloku indaba yokuntshontshela that's why engasamamkela ekhaya rather ayohlala ka-anti wakhe but still uyabuya ekhaya azontshontsha ke lokhu anguntshontshayo shuthi usuke efuna imali-ke yokuthi you guys athole yokubhema-ke he mustn't get bail to testify in Senzo Mewa's murder trial. Asizwe laphana ngodaba lwakhe lokutestify-ke when it comes to Senzo Mewa murder trial. Siyazi ukuthi ungumsolwa ke lapha Lucas uyafuneka nje ukuthi akaze ezotestify lapha. Speaking to Zimoja ke head of his son's bail application in 2 days time, he said his wish is for longer not to be granted bail. Uthi, I certainly don't want my son to get bail. He will disappear and not be found for his next court appearance. The fact that the defense in Senzo Mewa's case would be calling him to testify makes it even more worrying because I know for a fact that he will disappear and miss both his court appearances the day he is supposed to testify. Uthwala now ubetshela ke uZimoja ukuthi he knows ukuthi uLongo will provide his sister's residential address in a bid to get bail. Ukuze athole ibail bayazi ukuthi vele uzovela nikiza ne-address kasisi wakhe which is wrong. So he knows that he will be in the streets taking those DRIGs. He would rather stay in jail and sober up so that he is ready to testify when the defense in the Mewa case calls him. So bathi ngcono ahlale ejele azokwazi ukuba sober kwenzela mase bemfuna ngale kaSenzo Mewa ke uzobe sobhanyana than ukuthi nje athole ibail ayi uzovela nje aze azontshontsha phinda abuyele. That's what Baba Chikotwala is worried about. Imagine nje you guys ubaba uChikotwala sezama ngakho konke kusemandleni ukuthi rather uLongwe ahlale ejele than ukuze emphakathini. At least message mangabe uyafuneka ukuthi ayotestify lapha nakaSenzo Mewa murder trial at least uzobe sober. Isona sifiso sika Baba Chikotwala angazi you guys. I think ngumzalo osezwele bakithi yazi kwabona ingane ebhemayo hayi ukwabona ingane ehlupha ekhaya usukhathele ungofisa ukuthi angahlala nje impela ejele ahlale khona isikhathi eside. I can feel his pain she but Babu Diba I can feel ipain ka Baba Uthwala usho ukuthi mhlambe umebhemile ama-drugs umbona nje kuwese than ukuba sejele ungcono ukuba sejele than ukuthi ebesestratweni ebhema nokuhlupha. That's what he prefers. That's what his father prefers you guys. Ubaba ukuthi kungangcono lokho ke Nkosi yami ukuhlala ejele than ukuba sema-drugs khona lezi stratweni singazi basuke besenzani. Hayi ngeke bafethu ilona daba ke bendilethulela lona lukababa uChikotwala nendodana yakhe emhlupha kakhulu uLongwe Thwala enjalo uyafuneka ukuthi azotestify le kaSenzo Mewa murder trial at the Pretoria High Court. Into kanjalo nje kuningi ngolongwe bafethu. But anyways ke imbono yakho ka comment section, like i video, subscribe, share. Sithi sibonane futhi kwenye landelayo. Bye.